don't mind washing the wife's Mini one, but the whole embarrassment of people seeing me driving it, assuming it's mine, is a bit hard to take. And here we are, back in the Sirocco. Embarrassing myself again. Been sent out with the wife to go and get some Diet Coke. Shameful. Walking about Asda, carrying a 30 pack of Diet Coke, then walking back to my Sirocco. It's just, welcome to my life. Alright folks, quite easy mod here. Don't even know what to call these, but they go here. Here's the passenger side one that I've not actually put on yet. So whatever you want to call them, they look quite cool. The other thing here is, it's ignition surround. Just went for the blue there. Bring a tiny touch of blue from the outside in. So for some weird reason they sent me 2 pairs of these. So I've got a spare pair. Flying rats have been shitting on my Sirocco again. Dirty bastards. It always makes me feel a bit better when I see this. Bird shit on a Lambo.